They look at turbo. Boy, oh boy, if you have held this long, man, not financial advice, but no use in selling now, right? I mean, you are down there. It is right down. We put this blue band here, I don't know, a couple weeks ago now, maybe since I did my last turbo video. Um, this is like the perfect support if you're coming the whole way down. Okay, this is right on top of these previous highs, right back over here. Okay, right back near the beginning. This thing is down from the top. Let's take a look. From the very top, pretty close, right? It is down. Ooh-wee. About 87%. Wow. So if you had $1 in it, right, you got 13 cents left for every dollar that you put in if you bought at the top. Okay. Pretty good beating, right? I mean, you have a corrective structure in here that looks like it could be just about done or is done. It is right on the verge here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, possible 5 here. But this is looking to me like you possibly got one more push down. If you zoom in on this, I mean, it is down in that area where, quite honestly, yeah, if I was leverage trading this, which I leverage trade every single day, I'd be looking to short this thing. Okay, let's get number one. Let's go on a monthly here. All right, about a weekly. Okay, you have that support is right, technically right here. Okay, and the last one we're looking at. So let's get this box off here. All right, and yeah, it's looking like another push down here. All right, I will be watching this because when it gets down here, I have an alarm set. All right, when it gets down here, I will be longing this sucker. You can bet your ass on that. Sorry about cussing, but literally, I will be watching for this. Okay, now, what kind of target would this give? Well, without the wick, if we just use the candle that came down here, that goes right to, let's go and get that perfect. And we're going to use the wick to also, right about there. All right, 0.001551. Okay, if you use the wick, then you're looking deeper. I don't think it's using the wick. Then it would violate. It would violate that. It could be a wick that goes down and shoots back up. I don't think we're using the wick. I think we're using that right there. Right around that 1550 area, 1546, 1550. If you zoom in tight and get this perfect. And everybody, this is a OKX chart. All right, you're gonna have to go to your chart you use, Mexi, Binance, whatever you use, okay, and put it on here and pull it up here and look for your target area. All right, 1568. It's so tight through here that every little move is going to change it quite a bit. But right in this zone, you're going to be looking for a bottom and a bounce. Okay, right. Might as well mark a box in here, right like this. Okay, anywhere through there, it could grab and go. I will be definitely watching this. This is one here that you probably definitely want to pay attention to, right? Okay. once it gets down here, I mean, you're looking at a possible bottom, all right? And you'll be looking for a run back up. Now, for a run back up, the RSIs are going to have to look good, right? And if you're looking to long the market, guys, if you use leverage, please check out weeks in the description of the video. Helps the channel out a ton, and we use it in Discord a lot. So if you're interested in signing up for the Discord, it's a level 3 membership. It's $15. We have an alt season coming, guys. Whether you believe it or not, it's coming. Okay, any day. Bitcoin dominance on the weekly is about ready to roll over and crash. It's working on its 5th and final wave right now. So once that thing is done and starts rolling over, these altcoins are going to go. Okay, it's just a matter of days, a week, a couple days, a couple weeks, whenever Bitcoin dominance decides to crash. But we're right there. I mean, we have waited. I've been talking about this for, oh boy, a year, right? I mean, Bitcoin dominance was way down there. I kept saying, once we get to that 618, once we get to that 618, you know, we have finally got up there. And it looks like it's just about over. Okay. Now, if we look at the RSIs on this, but come join us in Discord, guys. You won't regret it. 15 measly bucks. All right. We had an XRP trade this morning. Oh my gosh, I would have won almost $4,000 on it. A wick, a liquidity grab got me, and I lost $900. You know, it should have been. It should have been, could have been, would have been, whatever. You know, almost a $4,000 win because it grabbed the liquidity and it shot right back up and did the 5th wave. That's what was a roller. And, you know, them are tough ones, right? When they do stuff like that. But here's a 52% win. When was this? Today? Where's the date? This one was on BitTuneX. I use both sites. Sometimes I place 2 of the same trades on both sites. Let's take a look here. 52. Where's the rest of them at? Come on. There's one. What was that one there? Yeah, it was a 15x. When was that? That was on February 10th. And these aren't coming up where I need them to be. But we had 3 100 plus X ones, 150% or 110, 115, you know, that 55. We've had a bunch. We've had a bunch of nice trades, and these ones here are pretty rare, 15Xs and stuff like that. But we do a lot, you know, 3, 4, 5Xs. Once in a while, you get the big ones like this. But for $15, you're not going to find that deal anywhere else. We have 170 some members in there. And we have a great bunch of traders in there, a bunch of guys. Mark does very, very well every day. We have a lot of great traders in there, so come join us. We would love to have you, especially for you make money either way, no matter if the market's going down, shorting this right now, or if the market's going up. You make money both ways, leverage trading. So, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Please do your own research with that stuff. But this thing is looking good. The weekly RSI, look at this, flat on the bottom, ready to go. The daily, perfect, beautiful. 12-hour, right on the very bottom. This thing is primed and ready to go. The 8's on the bottom. The 4 is heading down because we're getting this final push down right now. Okay, that 4 is heading down here to get that bottom. Pull this down a little bit, but the 4 is near the bottom. The 1 hour almost reset. All right, and looking very, very good. Okay, so keep your eye on Turbo. It's looking very, very fantastic, looking juicy to me. I can't wait till it gets down here. I will be jumping a little all over this thing. I can't wait. And the Bitcoin, big answer coming up here. When this thing gets up to this box, 96 to 99,000, we have one of two things happening here. Okay, either an A, B, C, Altseason running all through that ABC, especially once that B wave gets near the top and the C wave is coming. Or you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to about 129. This will tell the story right here. This blue box. That's all that matters right now. Right there. That's it. Pay attention to that, and you'll know what's happening. Right, you'll know what's going to happen. All right, thank you so much, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join us in Discord. We would love to have you. You got to be over there, especially for the alt season. You know, make that $15 not back in no time. Not financial advice at all, but that is nothing. That's pretty easy to make. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thanks a lot.